Traffic moves smoothly this morning at the East Mixmaster. The flyover bridge opened yesterday, just one of several big projects moving right along for the winter months before it all slows down. Several Iowa roads are undergoing construction heading late into fall.
But it shouldn't slow you down getting to Grandma's house for the holidays. WHO 13's Roger Riley talked with workers with the Iowa DOT today, and Roger joins us now live from I-35 in Polk County.
Yeah, Aaron, it's been a great construction season for the Iowa DOT, though some of the last round of rain slowed things down just a little bit. Now, if you're on the road for Thanksgiving, construction projects really should not be an issue.
Certainly going to see, an uptick in volume on our roadways next week over the Thanksgiving holiday. But hopefully the work zones won't be any bigger impact than they have been over the past, season for the summer. So we're hoping to get folks through just as safely as we can.
Now, if you're driving the interstate or other roadways, you'll see just a handful of well-advertised closures. Along I-35, the road has to remain open during the construction, and keeping the traffic moving here during construction, that's a requirement. Some road projects will be completed this year. Others, like I-35, are designed to be multi-year efforts. The bottom line, according to Brian Worrell of the DOT, is to get there safely.
Yeah, DOT safety is our #1 concern, and so we really just want to keep emphasizing to folks, let's focus on getting where you're going safely and not necessarily the most quickly or efficiently you can get there. We're all on the same team, so let's keep our distractions to a minimum, put your phone down, watch what you're doing, and let's just get everybody where they're going safely.
Now, on the DOT Iowa 511 website, you can check weather conditions and it'll show road construction projects. It even links to counties to show where the bridges or roads are that may have issues. That's out in the rural areas. And the main idea, Brian said, is to just get there safely, watch your speed, and it should be all good if you just leave early and take your time, Aaron.
Okay, good reminders. Roger Riley reporting live for us this afternoon.